This conference will now be recorded.
Yes, thank you for joining. So welcome to ETL IPP 2023 Day 2 class. So yesterday we have discussed about queries and today also follow-up queries we have. So guys, yesterday I have not uploaded I think. So today I will upload project classes and also IPP classes. Okay, I will update you once I will upload everything. Okay, so those who have not done task yesterday task today day 1 day 2 practice you can complete it IPP practice. Okay, so very simple query: display sum of salary for each department. So even we are learning so much data, so much content, suddenly we will forget like basic thing also. This is very important. Okay, sum of salary, max of salary, count of salary, any one question is guarantee because they are expecting the group by class there. Okay, so how we will do: select department number, then sum of salary from employee table, then group by of department number. That's it. Okay. If they want, what you can say, if they want uh, maximum salary, count of salary, you can apply there. Okay. So now let's see. This is how the output will be. Okay. Then so here display maximum salary along with the employee details. Now here when I say, suppose if we say maximum salary, you will get department number and maximum salary, but I need employee details also, everything. This is the powerful question. Okay, so let me first, we can go here. So now let's see. So this question is simple and straightforward question. Basically they will ask, and this is the topmost interview question where people get confused. That's what I'm directly giving you here only, max or sum of salary, but along with the employee details. So here we will use subquery. Okay, directly you can by heart it and keep it ready. So now let's see, select. Now whenever we are writing here, select star from employee where salary in. Okay, then select, you can see max of salary, right? So max of salary from employee table, then group by, then department number. So this is the query for getting the employee. All people what they think, what they will write: department number, max of salary from employee table, group by of department number. They will get confused there. But what I am asking question, you understand: display maximum salary along with the employee details. I'm not asking only maximum salary along with the employee details. So now let's see. Are you getting or not? This is the maximum salary. Okay. Along with the employee details. This is the powerful question. Please be noted. Okay. You got my point now? So they all people, you can ask other people who are preparing outside. They can write query like this for this question also. But nobody knows this until they prepare very well for interviews. Okay, so this is the, I can say, this is your what is selection criteria question. Okay, for technical preparation. So now let's see. Got my point? So separate negative and positive values. So what you will do, and you can just create some, insert some values like 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, like that, and table and do it. So just I will give you the query directly. Okay, so we don't have enough time to go. So now let's see, select whatever you take ID. Okay, case when then ID less than 0. ID less than 0 positive value or negative value. Then ID end as negative. Tell me guys, the ID less than 0, negative or positive? Negative value, good. So case when ID greater than 0, then ID end as positive. Okay, from any table you can tell, we can take ETL SQL or ETL SQL table for understanding purpose. Now group by ID. Okay, then after that, one second, group by ID, order by ID. So for sequence, for sorting. So this query you can prepare it. Okay, I'm sending you in the chat box also. Just understand that. Okay. For this is only what is the question. Carefully understand. Separate the negative and positive values. Separate the negative and positive values, and I'm asking. So this is only for separation of the query. Okay. Then how to get sum of positive and negative values now? What is the question I'm asking here? What is the question I'm asking here? Sum of the one second. Now let's see sum of the positive and negative values. Okay. So now sum of the positive negative, just total sum. But when you are writing, right, you should be very careful about while writing the queries. This is quite confusing question. Okay. So first what you will do, I will write here only, compare that question, whatever the question we have. Select, okay, sum of, inside you need to write case statement. Case when ID, whatever the ID, okay, ID less than 0, then ID, okay, else 0, you can write it else 0 or else this is end. This alias name is sum of positive. Okay. Now again sum of case when ID, what you can say, ID greater than 0, then ID, okay, else 0 end. So don't forget this one. Okay. No, and you can say sum of negative. Okay, from table you can give any table, ETL of SQL, anything you can take. This is the query, directly you can execute it. So what you will do, create ETL SQL table, take one column ID, insert 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3, like that you insert and execute it accordingly. So then you will get to know sum of the positive values and negative values. Clear, right? All of you. I'm giving you here. So many people will confuse. Instead of asking one question, people will write another question. That's what I'm avoiding the confusion here. Only direct questions. Okay. So now let's see. Okay, now write a view syntax. Okay, what is the view syntax? Create or replace view, then view name as select star from table name where condition. This is the view syntax. Okay, directly you can actually this is a developer question, but sometimes they're asking now for testers also. Some additional subjects also they are expecting actually. Okay, if you want you can write instead of syntax you can write example also, not a problem. Okay, for them. Now index index syntax. How to create an index syntax? Create index name on table name of column name. That's it. Got my point? Create index name on table name of column name. Okay. Got my point? Now, how to display Oracle into in the sequence of, let's say, O, R, A, C, L, A, line by line. So how we will do that? Maybe they will use Oracle or your name or some other thing. Okay, whatever. So you can write the query here like select substring of Oracle, then you need to give level 1 from dual table connect by level less than or equal to connect by level less than or equal to. Now whenever you are using connect by level, so it is like hierarchical relationship queries, don't worry. Length of then Oracle. So you just by heart some queries, whatever I'm saying this. If you're a developer, we require this. If you're a tester, not required. Direct answer, you can write it and throw on the face then. No need to one. See now here, ORACLE. So it means it's a line by line you need to display. So this is the very important query. You can give your name also, your company name also, something they can ask like India. Okay, like that. Okay, that's a question we have. Now we have how to display 1 to 100 sequence of numbers. Very simple query. Okay, 1 to 100 or 1 to 5, 1 to 200, 1 to 10, whatever. Select level from dual table, connect by level less than or equal to 100. That's it. This is the, you can give 1 to 100 sequence of values. Okay. Can you write 1 to 5, 1 to 10 from all of in the chat box? Just for 1 to 10. How we will write it? So we'll execute here. Got my point? Sequence of numbers if you want to display 1 to 100. Come on, everybody, you can write it. How to display secondized salary? Yesterday we have done secondized salary or not? Tell me, everyone. Yesterday we have done or not? Secondized salary using dense rank, right? But they will ask typical question there. Very important question. So always you focus on typical questions only. How to display secondized salary without using analytical function? Everybody will happy when I say secondized salary. Then after that, what is condition is there? Without using analytical function. Without using analytical function, you should display. So one query you can by heart it with the subquery pattern. So where you can write it, okay? Select distinct of salary from employee table. That is employee E1 you take, where 2 equal to, so they don't have time to explain this query and all. First you need to write them, okay? Count of star distinct of sal, okay, from employee E2, where you can say employee E2, where E1 dot salary less than or equal to E2 dot salary. This one, this you can write it. So maybe let me execute it. Yeah. Got my point? You got it? Distinct or salary. Okay. So what is that? Secondized salary. Got my point? If you do with analytical function also, you will get it. But they are not asking analytical function. They are asking this. With the subqueries they are expecting. This directly you can write the question. Okay. That's what I told you to write 3 times practice. First to do practice and later then write the assignment. Don't write directly assignment. It won't be helpful for you. So this is also very, very important. One question where it is displaying the elements here. Now wherever first when I was in Fintilex and my name Nagarjuna, Arjun you can say. So here how many L's will be there? How many A's will be there? This is Fintilex company and this name, what is your full name? I can ask and I said, and after that in Wipro interview question, this question. So this only one question will help me for my 3.5 year interview. Okay, I waited for 3.5 years to get a new job. In the second round, this question came, and he said like only one question in a practical question. I was confused seriously whether it will be correct or not. He said that once you write this query, you will get offer letter. So this is not like we are telling some fable stories. This is my personal experience. Okay, it's happened. So after so many years, I went for second round, and then they asked this question. So, but my mind was blank. I know that answer. My mind was blank due to heavy tension. After that, because I told you right, so many people write A4 paper, write 3 times, 10 times like that. While practicing 15 papers, you do. That will be helpful. Your hand will write queries instead of your mind. That's what I told you. Somewhere it will helpful definitely. So tell me one feedback. How many people are practicing in A4 papers? Say very clearly, sir, yes or no. Tell me. How many people are doing practicing A4 paper genuinely? You can tell with false answer also, but I'm telling you how many people are practicing. Come on, everybody. Nobody is practicing. You are doing right. Okay, now we are doing. Then what about other people? All of you. Venkat also doing. Sangeeta also doing. Then what about other people? Shankar also doing. Okay, good. Now, just one small information. Anjani also doing. Okay, very good. One small information. This you guys are coming from non-technical background. Okay, you cannot remember for a long time. You know the problem. What is the problem? Your non-technical background. Second thing is you cannot remember for a long time. These are the two reasons everybody will have, including me also. Now, what is the solution for that? I told you to prepare for A4 papers. For to remember for long time this query. Today I am writing the queries. How many thousands of times I practice here? That's what I'm. Whatever the question you asked, I used to write the queries rough and tough. Then how we got this? Because the experience. So once after 20 to 30 days, if you practice this time, then finally the question will not go out from your mind. Whatever they will ask interview, the question is coming from whatever we practice only. That genuine practice. Now tell me who has practiced A4 paper before joining this institute or before joining this formula, A4 practice formula. How much confident you have? After practicing, how much confident you have? Just whoever is typed, sir, I'm doing practice, right? Those people I'm asking, are you confident? Okay, do one thing. Rating also you can give. Before that, 5, before practicing A4 paper, out of 5, how much confident you will give? After doing A4 practice, how much rating you will do out of 5? Just type your answer, genuine answer. So I need before and after, like that. I will not get it. Before how much? Seriously. So Venkat said that before 1 out of 5, after 5, confident. These only confidence. It's your personal confidence. Okay, no need of manipulations here. And Sangeet also before 1, after 5. Perfect. Before Navya before 2, now after 4.6. Anjani before 1 and after 3. That's good criteria. This formula definitely will success. Trust me, this formula is going to be a huge success in your life. Maybe I am a just trainer now. I can able to help you sometimes. After that, we used to even I thought to meet my sir once I get job, but 7 years I didn't meet because that will happen. But I'm using same whatever he said, the formulas, plan, actions, everything I'm following. Okay. Shankar also said that before 2, after 4. So now you are right track. Maybe 1 or 2 months it's get delay, but you are in perfect track like me. Okay, I'm very happy that you are having seriously this much help because it's a proven example, not like only something if I say you can follow like that. No, it's I came from marketing background. That's what I planned this. This plan is success. Okay, really thankful to you who are following with whatever I said. Okay, so now the last question we can discuss today. The last question is just for repeating that. Okay, repeating the how many letters from A. You can take any example, whatever. So let me execute here. So let me write it here first. Select length. First you need to give length of elephant. You can give minus and again length of replace of elephant, then E, then this null value you can give. Now from to L. Now let's see how many E's will be there. Let's you can get it. There is from what happened here. So select length of elephant, then minus length of replace of elephant E, then from dual. Correct only, right? Where is the mistake? From length of replace. 1 second. Okay. So actually this minus, if you give space, it won't work. Okay. Directly you can write like this. Okay. See now 2 E's or not. You can change the name also, whatever the name. Okay. You can take anything, whatever you want. Sorry. E, right? E letter is not there. Now we need to display A. Okay. P. Clear everybody? All of you. Done? So this query helpful for how many E's will be there? Okay. Okay, guys. So these are the 20 queries yesterday and today we have discussed. Tomorrow also I will give you queries only. Now after practice, after completing 30 queries, then I will give you 30 theory questions. Again queries, again like that I will go. Okay. So now what you will do, you know that practice, right? What you will do, you can just IPP practice 2, IPP task 2, day 2 practice 3 times. Okay, 3 times. I have already got some mail from different people. Okay, good. Like that you can go. Got my point? Okay, I will send all the queries in the chat box. I will give you document also. Okay, now I am sending. Here. Okay, one more important news for you. So today, sorry, due to busy schedule, I have not taken much classes for few. So tomorrow we are taking once again morning at 8 a.m. for manual testing classes. Okay, so you can join that manual testing classes. You can talk with HR and join that. Okay, it will around 10 to 12 classes will be there completely for manual testing, because when you go to ETL, 30%, 30 to 50% of concepts will be manual only. So that's what I'm telling you. Okay, guys, clear everybody, all of you? Good. So go ahead. So slowly you can practice because it's a downtime, right? Now all companies are asking for face-to-face round. Why you are hurry now? Okay. Don't care anything. your communication, your technical skills, nothing. Just go and attack the interview. This is going to be a huge victory for you after learning this. This weapon is fine. My communication is also not good, but my technical standards are very powerful. So I stick with my technical standards, and that is my weapon to go ahead to clear the technical rounds. Nobody care about the communication. Communication is only for just sharing the information and getting the information. That's all. Not for completely to secure your job. Only technical standards will secure your job. Okay, guys. So good luck. See you tomorrow.